I don't know. He told me he smoked it for me. I'm telling you, this man came through like a savior. He smoked it for me for like 3 hours, and he was basting it. He said that I'm so overwhelmed just with emotion right now that it's even hard for me to talk. Oh my God. It's hard for me to like talk to you guys about it. He brined it like, so I have my fork, but I don't know how long this fork is going to last. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, I'm sorry. I know y'all are probably like, just eat it. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, we're just going to try with the tail. Y'all know me. Let's not play. Oh, wow. That's like fat though. That's not meat. But look, it's part of the tail. Oh, that's all fat. But it's good. Okay. Oh, there's the meat. Okay. We're getting crazy today. We're not about to use a fork. We are about to just start biting. First bite goes to you because you helped me get to 100K, honey. Oh, eat it. Go ahead. Okay, my turn. I don't know how much talking is going to be in this one. Justin. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have the best life. Yeah, we're gonna rip off his little leg. Sorry, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, hell. He said he smoked it for 3 hours. Y'all, what is life? It's so tender. Like fall off the bone tender. Like this little leg didn't make it, honey. It didn't make it. Oh my, oh, there's some meat. There's some meat on that. Thought you was going somewhere. And you know what? Alligator does taste a little bit like chicken. I'm such a lucky girl. And like, who gets to say that they had an executive chef make their 100K meal? Like, I'm so blessed, y'all. Oh my gosh. He really did me a solid because I was looking for somebody. That was a good bite. That meat was like butter. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like back here too. Like, he was on Cutthroat Kitchen. Have you guys seen that show before? Love that show. That's when they like are trying to sabotage each other while they make food. Oh man. Can y'all hear that? Like some of it's, that's all meat. Oh, honey. I should have got a little dish. Oh, I should get a little dish of barbecue sauce. Excuse me. Okay, wait 1 second. I'm gonna get it. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a dish so I can dip this in barbecue sauce. Okay, guys. I'm back. This is all meat. And who's about to eat it is me. Hello. Interesting. It has a little fat in there. I've had alligator before, but I've never had alligator like this. It almost tastes like it doesn't have a fishy flavor, but you can tell that it lived in water. And it's like the texture of chicken. And you know what? He told me like the meat will come off like this. And I'm trying to bite it like I do king crab, and that ain't working. Y'all, I'm so blessed. Who gets to eat a whole alligator to celebrate 100K? And I really wanted to do something different, you know? I have a different kind of life. I'm so lucky. Then I did that collab with Steph and Tosh. That video is coming out tomorrow. Like my video that we recorded. And that's a whole nother surprise, honey. A lot of y'all have been asking me to eat something, and I told y'all I wasn't going to eat it because I wasn't going to touch it. But they took care of it for me. They made it, and so I was like, okay, y'all, I'll eat it. So look out for that video. I owe that man. I owe that man. Oh, my lipstick. Oh, well. Okay. Be normal. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm not a normal woman. And you know what else is crazy? Like, July 1st, this is really a celebration, guys. And you know what? My horoscope said that this month was supposed to be lit. So it really has been. But on July 1st was what the day I actually hit 100K. And then on July 2nd, I hit 100K on TikTok. Ooh, excuse me. Y'all. Like, how nuts is that? And like, I really am praying that I hit 100K on Instagram this month. I don't even care when, honey. Just anytime this month. I want to try different parts of the meat, though. The alligator already came skinned. And it was funny because I put up on Instagram, I put up like What do you guys think I'm going to eat for my 100K? A crab? Like a whole king crab or a whole lobster? Neither. April Fools, but it's July. It doesn't even, like, he coated this in the barbecue sauce so well when he was cooking it that, like, yeah, like the big chunks of meat, like, tastes good with barbecue, but like the part that actually is on the outside, that meat that absorbed all, oh